In 2014, a mysterious object traversed our atmosphere at an impossible speed over 37 miles per second, more resilient than any known space rock. It defied all the laws of physics we know. When Harvard scientists finally recovered its fragments from the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, analysis revealed something disturbing: a material composition that doesn't exist on Earth, or anywhere in our solar system. This discovery forces us to confront the question that has haunted humanity for millennia. Are we truly alone in the universe? Or is something far darker happening? Something that might explain why, despite billions of habitable worlds, the cosmos remains in a deafening silence. The question that torments us isn't whether life exists out there, it's why we haven't been able to find it. With over 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and trillions of galaxies in the observable universe, mathematical probabilities make the existence of extraterrestrial life almost a certainty. But then comes the paradox that chilled physicist Enrico Fermi's blood in 1950. Where is everybody? The answer might be more terrifying than we imagine. There are three scenarios that might explain this cosmic silence, and each one carries dark implications for our own existence. First, possibility. The past filter, perhaps we are the sole survivors of an impossible cosmic lottery. The origin of life, the evolution of consciousness, the development of intelligence, each step might be so improbable that we are literally a statistical miracle. If true, we are the universe's only conscious eyes, a responsibility that leaves us utterly alone in the cosmic immensity. Second possibility, the present filter, or perhaps intelligent life, is common. But all civilizations face the same inevitable fate: self-destruction, nuclear wars, environmental collapse, global pandemics. Perhaps there's a barrier that no species can overcome. If that's the case, we are heading towards the same abyss that consumed countless civilizations before us. Third possibility, the future filter, the most disturbing of all. Perhaps advanced civilizations always reach a point where they transform into something unrecognizable, something that no longer cares to communicate with us. Superintelligences that have transcended our comprehension, existing in dimensions we cannot perceive. But recently, something has changed our perspective on this search. For decades, we've focused on listening for radio signals from space. But what if we're looking in the wrong place? What if the evidence is already here on Earth? Before we reveal this disturbing discovery, if you're fascinated by these cosmic mysteries, leave a like to help this channel bring more revelations about the universe's secrets. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss any discoveries that could change our understanding of reality. Now, let's get to what might be the most controversial evidence ever found. In 2014, military sensors detected something impossible: an interstellar object traversing our atmosphere at over 37 miles per second, 3 times faster than any natural meteorite. Its material strength was 50 times greater than that of known space rocks. Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard did something few scientists would dare. He organized an expedition to the bottom of the Pacific Ocean to recover fragments of this object. Cataloged as M1, what they found challenges our understanding of reality. Small metallic spheres with a composition that doesn't exist anywhere on Earth or in our solar system. Elements like beryllium, lanthanum, and uranium in proportions that suggest an artificial origin. For the first time in history, we have physical evidence of something that might not be natural, something that might have been created by non-human intelligence. But the search doesn't stop there. We've discovered that the ingredients for life, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, are the most abundant elements in the universe. The recipe for life is literally everywhere. And we're not just looking for Earth's 2.0. Moons like Europa and Enceladus possess subsurface oceans heated by gravitational forces. With hydrothermal vents at the bottom, perfect environments for life, even without sunlight. NASA's Europa Clipper mission, already under development, might finally answer whether we are alone or if life is more common and stranger than we ever imagined. So, are we alone in the universe? The evidence suggests no. But perhaps the real question is, why don't they want us to find them? Perhaps the cosmic silence isn't absence, but a deliberate choice. Perhaps advanced civilizations have learned that revealing themselves is dangerous. Or perhaps they are already here, watching, waiting. The Pacific Ocean spheres might just be the beginning, the first physical evidence that we were never truly alone. The universe holds its secrets, but humanity is finally learning to ask the right questions. If this journey through cosmic mysteries has piqued your curiosity, subscribe to the channel for more revelations that challenge our understanding of reality. Leave a comment. Which of the three possibilities of the Fermi Paradox do you find most likely? And turn on notifications, because the truth about our place in the universe might be closer than we imagine.